Merry Christmas, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clean and decorate with me, and I'll show you how I decorate my small space in a minimalistic and frugal way. I know it can be hard sometimes when you see other people in your social circle or even on YouTube going all out, and trust me, if I had the expenses, my house would look pretty close to Kevin McAllister's home decor. But I digress. I do not have those funds, nor do I think it should be the main focus of this holiday. I really like my main focus to be Christ-centered and what I can do to serve my family and friends. That's kind of what brings me the most joy. I also enjoy spending what money we do have instead of on lots of decor and presents on family experiences. Growing up, I don't remember all the things that I received as a kid, but I do remember the things that we did and the traditions that we had, and the feeling with absolute certainty that God is good. Christmas time is such a happy and joyous time and a great reminder of our Savior's birth and just how much we really are loved. But I know for many it can also be full of stress and anxiety of family, the hustle and bustle, reminders of our financial situation, and the pressures to push that limit and those boundaries. I heard a sermon last Sunday about this, and at the end they prayed that we just have peace, and I felt that deep within my soul. So if you're running on an empty tank or have been sliced too thin, I wish you peace too. Wiping everything down in the bathroom, I'm putting some Christmas spirit essential oils in the sink and toilets. Then I'm putting some peppermint oil in the toilet paper roll, along with a cute penguin soap dispenser with peppermint soap. Let me know what you guys are most grateful for this Christmas. It can be big or small. For me, my family's been taking turns being sick since November, so I'm grateful to finally be starting to see a light at the end of that tunnel. Now I'm focused on cleaning the living room because this is where most of the decorations will go. I love being festive and nobody wants to be a Grinch, but don't feel like you have to put up a Christmas tree in every room of your house. Instead of decorating the entire house, keep it simple by decorating the tree and focus on main living spaces where your family gathers most often. Take some of that pressure off yourself and ignore that urge to create a winter wonderland inside and pretty much outside your home. If you haven't noticed, I really dig The Nightmare Before Christmas. I love watching it around Halloween time and Christmas time. It is one of my favorite movies. I've also been wearing this holiday feeling sweater excessively during November and December, and I just got these wreath jingle bell holiday earrings, which I think are so cute and so darky, but I love them so much. I've been making it a point to wear them every day in December, and I've gotten so many compliments over it. I just think that it's a really fun way to celebrate the holidays without overdoing it. It's just a little accessory to make things a little bit more festive.
I'm not going to get something big. They don't usually take it over. Wait, don't look and take it out. Wow. It's a blaze ball. Connect the out. Here. There's some. Where are you?
You got that, Frugally? Oh, that's very nice of you.
I found a way to open it.
What do you say, Gideon?
Thank you. Wait, does he say it's a present? Does it say it's a? Can I have it? You can keep it. A present for me. It's a present for you. Yeah. I got it from school. Right.
You got me something?
Open it. Close your eyes and don't peek.
Can you help me get it out?
And this says.
Whoa. I love you, Mom.
And then I got you a
are
ring.
Oh, fancy.
Put it on you. I the ball always going away from me.
Thank you.
This one's for Daddy. I'll show you guys. Person of the year.
Wow.
Because Daddy's the person of the year. So I was thinking, Daddy would like this. And then, Mommy, your cash back from the store. Oh, there was a coin in there.
Gary, that was so nice of you.
Now I have two rings.
Did you get anything for yourself from the gift shop?
Well, I was thinking of getting the ring for myself, but I thought Mommy would like it because it has the gems.
Oh, thanks. Maybe we could share.
Yeah.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe's baby with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe's baby with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe's baby with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, go inside and drink hot chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment.
I usually try to reuse old decorations or get some new ones after Christmas when they're on clearance, but this year I did get a few new ones from Hobby Lobby during the 40% off, like this gorgeous star my son helped me pick out.
With you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
I also got this wooden advent calendar, that way I can use it year after year, and it's probably my favorite item this year.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the
This sparkly deer is my daughter's favorite new item, clearly.
right where I wanna be.
The best part of decorating for Christmas is my kids having fun helping me. They have so much fun just placing things around.
You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody.
Yes.
You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow.
Just kind of grab one of the branches like this, just tuck down just a little bit like that.
Choirs will sing and the
Giddy.
joy bells will ring.
You should be helping me tuck the branches down first, but
As much as I do,
no, now please.
wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that
Go
time.
on, we'll help poor Mama.
Drinking
Mama
hot
needs
wine by the fire. Here
I think he said
got nothing to fear.
I just opened
It's
those
Some kind of love, my friend.
Did you know we buy these? Yes, I knew that. Those are for the big Christmas tree.
It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you.
This year I also got a couple of mini trees for them to decorate and have fun with. I originally planned to decorate these myself for the kitchen and the big tree very strategically, but I came to the conclusion that these are experiences and memories we can make together, even if they don't look Instagram worthy. They are perfectly imperfect. choose to compare with others, or we can choose to accept our own beautifully chaotic normal, because life really is too short to try being anyone but ourselves. This is what our space turned out looking like, and we love it.